Okay, finishing up the first lesson of Unit 4 with algebra. All right, ABC is an equilateral triangle, meaning all sides are the same. Solve for x and solve for y. Well, if all sides are the same, I know this is 49. These other ones should also equal 49 because they all are the same. So to solve for x, take this side length that has the x, set it equal to the 49, and solve. Subtract 1 from both sides. Divide by 3. X is 16. I'm going to do the same thing for the y now. Everything is equal to each other, so 49 also equals this one. Add 41. Gives me 90. Divide by the coefficient. Y equals 5. It's equilateral. All the sides are the same. Find x and the measure of each side. We have to do extra ones here. We don't have to find y, but we got to find the measure of each side. X, find x. All right, well, pick your two favorite sides because all the sides are the same, and then set them equal to each other. I'm going to pick the ones with the smallest x value, 7, 10, and 12. I'm going to pick the small two. I'm going to set them equal. But you can pick your own. You'll get the same answer. All right, I want to move the smaller variable. But if the left gave to the right needs to give something back, and the only thing it has to give is the 6. Cancel. 24. Cancel. All right. Divide by the 3. X equals 8. All right. Now I need to find the measure of each side. Again, I'm going to pick the smallest one. This guy right here. 7x plus 18. I'm going to take that x, I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to say 7 times 8 plus 18. And that is what? 56 plus 18. And that is what? 74. All right, well, I found one side, but I found them all because they're all equal. It's the whole point of the problem, equilateral, right? So if one's 74, this guy's 74, and this guy's 74 as well. It's equilateral. Do the exact same thing. Pick your favorites. I'm going to pick the smallest. Okay. Move the smaller variable. The left gave to the right needs to give something back. Cancels, 49. Whoa, that can't be right. Did I goober? Uh-oh. Did I set it up wrong? 4x plus 15? X minus 25? No. That's right. That's right. 39. 39. Look, okay. It's still a Monday. Divide by 3. So x is 13. Put it into one of the sides. This guy right here. 13 plus 14. That's 27. But if one side's 27, so are the others. You can check your math to see if you got x right by plugging in 13 here and seeing it actually, if it works out, they all are the same. All right, number 4 is isosceles. It's different. It has two sides that equal each other. And I highlighted the sides that match. It says isosceles with the DE and EF sides being the same. DE and EF. You need to be careful with these ones because you can't just pick. You have to pay attention to what sides actually equal each other. These ones. 8x minus 13 equals 5x plus 17. Move smaller x, give something back. Divide by the coefficient, x is 10. Find the measure of each side for the second part of this problem. I still have to do that, but I only have to do it twice, because if I figure out this, it's gonna match that. If x is 10, this is gonna be 5 times 10 plus 17. So that's gonna be 67, which means this one over here is 67. I have to individually figure out what this one is because this doesn't match. 10 plus 21, the bottom is 31. Same exact thing for this one here. Okay, I went ahead and highlighted. I suggest you do the same, it's a good habit. Take the sides that are equal to each other and set them equal. 6x minus 77 equals 3x plus 4. Okay, x is 27 this time. But I need to find the side lengths. Okay, this one's smaller. That's gonna be 3 times 27 plus 4. Well, 3 times 27 is 81. 3 times 27 is 81. 81 plus 4 is 85. If this side's 85, so is this one. Now I need to figure out this down here. 5 times 27 minus 31. That is 135 minus this. 135 minus 31 equals 104. That is what the bottom is worth. Seems big. No, that makes sense. 85, 85. That's on brand. That's close enough. All right, pictures are gone. Build your own. PQR is an equilateral triangle, meaning all sides are the same. So you can go ahead and you can label, okay, PQR. And then you can go around and you could say, okay, well, PQ is supposed to be 18x plus 1, and QR is supposed to be 24x minus 17, and then lastly, PR is going to be 15x plus 10. Find x in the measure of each side. Okay, you can do this. And we're back to we built the first problem we did in this video. Pick your two favorites, set them equal. Okay, I'm just going to pick the smallest ones. 15x plus 10 equals 18x plus 1. Take away the smaller x. Give something back. Okay, x is 3. Find the measure of each side. Okay, I'm going to do the smallest one, 15 times that x of 3 plus 10. That's going to be 55. And if one side's 55, every side's 55. Okay, you could totally do this. You could set this up like this. Draw the picture if you need it. Fine. But in number 7, I know that the equilateral triangle, all sides are going to be equal to each other. So maybe I don't need to draw that picture. Maybe I can just know that everything is going to equal everything. But I've been given words. ST in this problem. ST is 1 less than twice x. I need to write that. 1 less than twice x. Let's start with the twice x. That's going to be 2x. 1 less than that. SU is 37 less than 5 times x. So 5 times x minus 37. 37 less than 5 times x. And TU, 11 more than x. That one's nice and easy. 11 more than x. It's a skill to build this. It will take time. Now we have to find x in the measure of each side. Take your favorite, set them equal, because again, it's an equilateral. X plus 11 equals 2x minus 1. Move the smaller x. Give something back. X Find the measure of each side. Okay. 12 plus 11, 23. What if one's 23? They're all 23. 8 is isosceles. Okay, that's different. This is different. Build your own, maybe. I always draw my isosceles to look like that. Okay, now the question is, how do I label it? Because label is important with this. Do you see the one I highlighted, isosceles, with this piece matching this piece? The letter they have in common, in this case M, goes at the top. Doesn't matter where K and L are after that. If MK is 7x minus 15 and KL 4x minus 5, ML 10x minus 42, find x in the measure of each side. Okay. MK and ML, these are the ones that are congruent to each other. I will always draw my picture so it's like this. If you get in the habit of it too. I'm going to take these two values and I'm going to set them equal to each other. 7x minus 15 equals 10x minus 42. Okay, x is 9. Figure out the value of all of the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out these ones first. I only have to figure out one of them. I'm gonna break my rule here because I can multiply by 10 easier than I can multiply by 7. 10 times 9, take away 42. That's gonna be 48. That one's 48. Well, we know it matches this one. I need to figure out what this bottom one is. That's going to be 4 times 9 minus 5, 31. All right, maybe we don't want to draw the picture for this one. Totally fine. We just need to figure out, okay, it was an isosceles with AB matching BC. You have to take the ones then that match each other if you don't want to draw the picture. AB is this, BC is that. Those are the ones that match. So those are the ones I'm going to set equal. 8x minus 54 equals 3x plus 41. X is 19. Find x, did it. The measure of each side, okay. Let's plug it in for this one here, because it seems smaller. 3 times 19 plus 41. That's gonna give me 57 plus 41. That's gonna give me 98. So this guy right here is 98. So is that one. This one's different though. 12 times x minus 103. That one needs to be 12 times 19 minus 103. Oh boy, 12 times 19. That's tough. That's 228. And put that together, it's going to be 125. I believe that is correct. Let's double check it though. 12 times 19 minus 103. 12 times 19 minus 103. 125. Okay, we did it right. And then the last one here. I have to write sentences again. So let's figure out. If I don't want to draw the picture, that's fine. It's isosceles. GI though. GI and HI. HI is this one, and GI is that one. Those are the ones I have to set equal to each other. But maybe I should figure out what each one is first. GH. 3 more than X. All right. HI. 17 less than 4 times X. and GI. 45 less than 6 times x. Oh, wow. Okay. And the two that were equal were GI and HI. For x minus 17 equals 6x minus 45. Okay, x is 14, let's figure out. These are the ones that match. So it's going to be 4 times 14 minus this. 4 times 14 is 56. 56, take away that, I believe, is 39. That one should match this one of 39. For some reason, I believe that's wrong, though. 4 times 14 minus 17. 4 times 14. That was right. Okay. And then this one right here, x plus 3. This one's different, remember? 14 plus 3, 17.